We're experiencing a pace of change in technology that's probably as great as the first industrial revolution. But this comes at the same time when there are real geopolitical tensions and some of the old certainties about how we could trade together internationally are no longer there.
Competition that a country like Britain and the UK is facing is I don't want to say an order of magnitude, but significantly higher than it was 20 years ago. And unless you have a domestic, well-crafted, well-thought-out, well-executed national industrial strategy, you're going to fall behind.
So I think the Babbage Forum has been really helpful in terms of bringing together case studies from around the world. I mean, here at Babbage we've got big countries represented, small countries, regions, the whole EU, the US, China, but also Norway and Sweden and the UK as smaller countries. So that comparative value has been really instructive in terms of helping us think through approaches that we might want to try and having the evidence of what has worked in other places.
It's that perspective and hearing about what other policymakers are doing, which I find imparts real lessons learned, really important in terms of global collaboration, but also in developing, I think, our collective evidence base and networks.
The number of people really doing this in an in-depth, serious way is quite small, and if there was to be an explosion here, we'd probably eliminate 10% or 20% of the global population of the experts. I don't think that anybody else is doing what you're doing, is bringing the community together to learn from each other.